Don't miss this beautifully renovated 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom, second-floor condo in the heart of Cambridge, Massachusetts. Perfectly situated between MIT, Kendall Square, Inman Square, and Central Square. This light-filled, modern unit boasts an open floor plan with wonderful living space, including a large living and dining area, a stylish kitchen, a large private deck, and a spectacularly lush landscaped, fenced-in common rear yard, a true urban oasis. The lucky new owner has the option of using the space as a 3-bedroom unit or as a 2-bedroom with a large office. The open concept kitchen features a large island with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and maple cabinets, perfect for cooking and entertaining. Wonderful features include a lovely modern tiled bathroom, a handy in-unit laundry, high ceilings, wood floors, air conditioning, French doors, excellent closet space, a huge deeded lockable basement storage room, and an extra common storage, which is perfect for bikes. And this is a well-run, pet-friendly association with plenty of street parking. Enjoy many recent improvements, including decking, roofing, interior and exterior painting, and appliances and fixtures, just to name a few. The location is truly tremendous, with a Walker's Paradise walk score of 96 and a Biker's Paradise score of 100, being within just a half a mile to over a remarkable 100 restaurants, pubs, and cafes. It's just a short walk to the Red Line subway in Kendall Square or Central Square for a quick one-stop trip to Harvard Square. The Kendall Square area has over 150 high-tech companies, including some of the most celebrated life science, technology, and pharmaceutical companies on Earth, such as Biogen IDEC, Genzyme, Novartis, Akamai, Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. This desirable modern unit is in a super convenient location, and it's a perfect place to live in or for the savvy investor.